Welcome to Lake View Park, a serene and picturesque destination that offers a perfect blend of natural beauty and recreational activities. Located on the banks of Rawal Lake, this park has a rich history and has become a favorite spot for locals and tourists alike. As you enter the park, you'll be greeted by camels and horses, ready to offer you a delightful ride around the park. It's a fun and unique way to start your visit. For a quick snack, head over to the Tuck Shop and Burger Spot, where you can grab a delicious burger and other treats to fuel your adventure. There's also a small shop selling an array of items. One of the charming features of Lake View Park is the beautifully decorated horse cart, painted in white, red, and blue, and adorned with red tassels. It's a picturesque sight for visitors. The park is blessed with a beautiful blue sky and lush green trees, creating a tranquil and refreshing environment. Feeling hungry? Stop by another food spot offering mouth-watering chicken biryani and more. It's a perfect place to enjoy a hearty meal. As you move forward, and for those with a sweet tooth, there's an ice cream spot offering a range of flavors to cool you down on a warm day. Lake View Park is home to a spectacular bird park, featuring the world's third-largest walk-in aviary. This aviary is a haven for bird lovers. The park's tiled track is surrounded by trees and filled with the sound of birds chirping, creating a serene and peaceful atmosphere for your stroll. For your safety, the park is equipped with an emergency first aid and service room. The park is adorned with a variety of flowers, but the red roses truly steal the show with their vibrant color and beauty. Dedicated gardeners are constantly planting new flowers and tending to the plants, ensuring the park remains lush and vibrant. There's a designated area where you can enjoy stunning views of the lake. The high winds here are refreshing, and the reflection of trees in the water is so surreal, it looks like a painted canvas. From here, you can clearly see the mountains beside the lake, making it a perfect spot for taking memorable pictures. As you walk further, you'll hear the soothing sound of a man playing the rubab. The gentle music combined with the greenery around creates a peaceful and relaxing atmosphere. The rustic streetlights add a charming look to Lake View Park, illuminating the pathways as evening sets in. The jogging track is lined with green bushes on both sides, and at some points, the trees create a natural canopy overhead, providing shade and a beautiful tunnel-like view. The play area is a paradise for kids, featuring a variety of swings, from trampolines to slides. It's a place where children can have endless fun. Lake View Park is a lush, green oasis in the city, offering a perfect blend of nature and recreation. With its stunning views, diverse activities, and peaceful environment, it's a place where you can unwind and enjoy the beauty of nature.